Okay friends, so in the previous video what we have done is we're creating the variables to store the information. Okay, so name, age, and I want to create an alert dialog box, but now I don't want this alert dialog appear just on the when we open the application, that is when we create the application. I don't want these things to happen. I want these things to happen only when the button is clicked. So I don't have to write this code here. So I'm cutting this code and I will write this code when the button is clicked to react upon that. Okay, so yeah, so how to do this? Let's see. So button.1, the ID of the button and the variable assigned to it. Now on click, okay, there is listeners will talk about, see, set on click listener, right? Set on click listener new. Yeah, so what I am doing is, see, the button has when the button I am actually setting on click listener. What happens when the button is clicked? Very simple, but whenever the button is clicked, the thing you get is see, this is the anonymous class, right? You have studied, you might have or now studied in Java, but this is the anonymous class because see, new, and this thing is actually creating an object of a class, and we have given any, but we don't have given any name, but we have done the body, and it has the something which we call as function. We are overriding the functions, right? So yeah, it's the anonymous class where we find information. Yeah. So just like interface, so it has only one function, on click. So what happens on after click? This is the thing you have to decide, right? To after clicking the button, you have to get name variable, age variable, and you have to have the alert dialog builder in this thing, right? So what is this? This is the main activity. This is the file, Java file, but this is the object given to the alert box. We have to do this thing here. Okay, that is what it says. Now without pushing for the time, I will show you some magic. Set message. Okay, something like set title will be there. Okay, yeah. We have to give a name, right? So variable name. See, this thing is the variable name of just the object name. That's it, right? So now it will work. Yeah, set title. Title is welcome to the scrap. Set message. Okay, sorry, set message on. So set message. The message I want to show is please support no efforts, like, share, and learn. Subscribe. Okay, that's your choice, but that's all. So Alert Dialog also offers us 3 buttons, like positive button, neutral button, and negative button. So these are just buttons. It has nothing to do with this, right? Everything has just different names, but work is same. So I will just use one. We'll see. Okay. So set positive button. Now the positive, the text which I have to show, that is okay. Then another one will be the listeners, right? So what is listener means? What happens when you click the button?